All right, it was a beautiful weekend out there. Yesterday was nice.
Yeah, really nice, comfortable temperatures.
It was great for the Portland Pride Festival.
Awesome.
The end of it, the parade was great. Yeah, we really lucked out in the weather department, seeing those overcast skies, making temperatures feel just a little bit more comfortable for many of us, spending the time outside right in the heart of downtown Portland's Old Town. Just a lot of fun activities. And if you happen to have any weather photos or even any of your Portland Pride photos, you can head over to KOIN.com right now to share yours or to find yours that you may have taken with us as well. After daytime highs yesterday, only managed to climb up into the upper 60s, low 70s for the I-5 corridor, well below the average of 83 for this time of year. And we actually picked up on a bit of moisture. It was well after sunset into the early morning hours, picking up just about 3/10 of an inch in the heart of the city. There was one little cell I watched just kind of sit over downtown Portland for about an hour, hour and a half before it started to rain itself out and kind of fizzle out overall. But we did manage to pick up on 3/10 of an inch, bringing our rain deficit now down to just about 1/10 of an inch. As those mostly cloudy skies still reside overhead, keeping temperatures comfortable at 76, and we're going to slowly break down that cloud coverage, moving our way through the rest of the night. That means cooler temperatures falling back into the mid-60s as we approach the midnight hour. You can see those clouds breaking down here with our satellite and radar. The last little bit of moisture starting to peel its way out of the Pacific Northwest, with a few lightning strikes still a possibility out towards the east. That's where a very slim chance for the garden variety thunderstorms are still a possibility for eastern Washington, eastern Oregon. Gusty winds, lightning, and an elevated fire threat not only alive today, but again tomorrow. Again, all of this is going to be east of the Cascades. We like the moisture, but we don't necessarily want to see that lightning potential where it could start and spread new wildfires. All as this trough of cooler air is the culprit for the cool down we've experienced, but now we're going to start to make that jet stream just a little bit more linear as we work our way into Wednesday, Thursday. Summer temperatures once again returning, but that's short-lived before another trough of cooler air works its way back into the Pacific Northwest, not only by the end of the week, but into the weekend. So what we saw this weekend may be very similar to what's in store for next weekend as the marine layer plays with the coastline for the start of the day tomorrow. Nothing but sunny and dry skies for the I-5 corridor. The Cascades, again, maybe one or two of those bubble up thunderstorms east of the Cascades tomorrow afternoon and evening. That carries us into a very toasty Wednesday afternoon for the Valley and the Cascades. As tonight we only fall back to about 58 degrees. Again, those clouds are going to be decreasing across much of the Pacific Northwest. As tomorrow we approach 90 degrees, I think many of us struggling to actually get there, but 87 is what I'm forecasting for the Portland area with winds out of the northwest at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. 7-day forecast, it does show the peak of the heat arriving on Wednesday with those low 90s once again returning. We'll see mostly sunny skies take us through the end of the week. But look, the afternoon highs falling back into the low 80s by Friday. Saturday, a few more clouds in the mix as overnight lows are really cooperative in the upper 50s, low 60s over the next 7 days. But no rain is in sight, so the little bit of moisture that we saw early this morning was definitely maybe a surprise to a lot of folks waking up with sidewalks wet, roads wet.
It was really refreshing feeling in the morning for sure.
It definitely was. It was much needed and well overdue.
Awesome.
Thanks, Josh.
Yeah.